Hello folks, this is Derek Eichenwald from Triumph Capital Management with our October 2012 update. This month we'll be talking about some of the important events that drove the markets and discuss what might be in store for the weeks ahead. Please make sure that you read the disclosure below. Now that you've read the disclosure, let's discuss October. Volatility was the name of the game in October. Markets really got pushed around by poor earnings reports, mixed economic data, and Hurricane Sandy. In October, the S&P lost 2.04%, the Dow shed 2.56%, and the NASDAQ gave up 4.5%. Hurricane Sandy really threw a big wrench into the markets at the end of October, hammering the East Coast and forcing the securities markets to close for 2 full days. Although the full economic impact won't be known for some time, major storms like Sandy nearly never have an enormous economic effect on the economy at large. What did, however, have a big effect on the economy was disappointing third-quarter corporate earnings reports. It drove much of the market turbulence for the last month. For most companies, their earnings reports contained both good news and bad news. So the good news. The good news is that profits were better than most gloom and doom estimates, but the bad news is that revenues were worse than expected, meaning that businesses are still struggling through this very tough economy. Economic reports released in October were a mixed bag as well. GDP growth accelerated to 2% in the third quarter, pushed upward by strong consumer spending and higher government spending. Despite the tough economy, consumer confidence reports showed that Americans were upbeat about the future of the economy. We hope that this optimism translates into more consumer spending during the holiday season, which in turn will boost the overall economy. Unfortunately, business owners and business leaders are not sharing this optimism, and it's affecting business spending. Business equipment orders stalled in September, and analysts fear that investments in hiring and equipment will cool off as companies react to bad earnings and prepare for this fiscal cliff, which could mean and will mean higher corporate taxes in 2013. Looking ahead into November, we're expecting a lot of market volatility as election results are released and lawmakers start tackling some of the pressing issues facing the country. The week of Thanksgiving. The week of Thanksgiving kicks off the holiday shopping season, which is the most important period for retailers, and we will be closely monitoring this as well as many analysts around the marketplace. We'll keep you informed of what goes on. Once again, this is Derek Eichenwald with Triumph Capital Management, signing off for the month of October 2012. I hope you found this commentary interesting and informative. If you have any questions about what you've heard in this update or would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 720-399-5555. We'd be happy to talk with you. To keep our attorneys happy, I will now read some disclosures. While we believe the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or a solicitation of a purchase of a sale of any security. Please consult your personal financial professional before making any investment decision. Securities are offered through J.P. Turner & Company, LLC, member SIPC. Investment advice and financial planning is offered through J.P. Turner Capital Management, LLC, a registered investment advisor. J.P. Turner & Company and J.P. Turner Capital Management, LLC are not affiliated with Triumph Capital Management, LLC. Thank you, and have a wonderful rest of your day.